I want to introduce you to our Finia fill and finish device. So this is a machine that operates in between the expansion of the cell therapy and the cryopreservation. So what it does is it'll mix things together, ready for that end of the process. When we run Finia, we have disposable sets. They're sterile, they're the GMP grade sets, and so we have in the device 3 product bags and 1 QC bag. So the study we embarked on with Charles River to see if we could go beyond that capacity. So I'm now going to pass you over to Alex, and Alex can explain more about the study.
So one of the key aspects of making a cell therapy is consistency and quality. These are living things. So when we're formulating or doing the fill finish, we have to keep that in mind that we're doing that consistently so that the quality across different doses is the same. The data we're speaking about today is about how using a device like the Finia, using automation helps to ensure both the consistency and the quality of the final product, especially as you scale up to more and more doses, so that the first dose you formulate is the same as the last dose you formulate in terms of the quality of the product the patient's going to receive.
The Finia device as it's set up has 3 product bags, and we can do various volumes to fill that for cell therapy solutions, and then we have a QC bag. So 4 bags in total, right? So what we are able to show today is what happens if you run multiple disposable sets. And so Alex here has that data.
So what happens if you scale up this device that's meant to fill 4 bags and instead ask it to fill 16 bags? How long does that take? How much time does that save for an operator, allowing the machine to do the work? And what's the quality of the bags, especially the first bag relative to the last bag? What our data today is going to show is that you can scale up this device to 4 times its singular capacity, 16 bags, and the quality of the cell product throughout each of those bags is remarkably uniform and consistent. Viability above 90%, a consistent cell phenotype and function of the final product, as well as strong potency from each of the product bags that you end up filling.